Yes, my people, blessing to each and everyone. Thank you all for your continual support. It's your boy JR at it again with another poem written by yours truly called Where Is My Name? Where is my name? It's getting to my brain. Not even that I was not allowed to retain. Beaten, shackled up in handcuff and train, forced to accept some other name for that type of treatment. Some people still think we are the one to be blamed. Looking back at the treatment of our ancestor, it caused me so much pain. No apology, no reparation, living off the back of my ancestor. Look how much they gain. Cause so much hurt and pain. Living happily without no shame. When we talk about it, they tell us to move on from it. They are not the one to be blamed. Yet you are living happily off what your ancestor obtained, while the memory of my ancestors wash away in the drain. Because of the murderous ways of your ancestor just to obtain the money you are living off, filled with our ancestor blood stain. If money could talk, you would hear our ancestors crying through it. So much pain. Reparation cannot change that, but it can heal some of their descendant pain. It cannot give back our name, and that's a shame, but question still goes on, where is my name?